Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you 2 easy ways to remove background in Adobe Photoshop. We will learn the pen tool and the Polygonal Lasso Tool, step by step. Let's start. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now select the pen tool from the left toolbar, or press P on your keyboard. At the top options bar, make sure path is selected, not shape. Then click once to add your first anchor point. Now click around the object edges slowly and carefully. For curved areas, click and drag the mouse to create smooth curves. Continue placing points until you return to the starting point. Click again to close the path. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection. Click OK. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected object to a new layer. Hide or delete the background layer. Your background is now removed with clean and professional edges. Now let's use the Polygonal Lasso Tool. Select it from the toolbar or press L. Click once to start selection. Click point by point around the object edges. When you reach the starting point, click again to close the selection. Press Ctrl+J to copy the selected area to a new layer. Turn off or delete the background layer. Your object is now separated. Polygonal Lasso Tool works best for straight edges and simple shapes. That's how you can remove background using Pen Tool and Polygonal Lasso Tool in Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.